Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Hudson Valley CU Mobile app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Hudson Valley CU Mobile is a digital banking app developed for members of Hudson Valley Credit Union. It allows users to manage their accounts securely from their smartphones. The app is available on both iOS and Android and is designed to simplify everyday banking with features like account monitoring, money transfers, mobile check deposits, and bill payments. The app's main features include real-time balance checks, detailed transaction history, and quick internal transfers between accounts. Users can pay bills directly through the app, set up alerts for account activity, manage credit and debit cards, and even locate nearby ATMs and branches. Biometric login options such as fingerprint and Face ID add an extra layer of convenience and security. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the simple layout, fast loading times, and dependable performance for essential banking tasks. Mobile check deposit is frequently highlighted as convenient, and the app's security features receive positive feedback. Members also find the alert system useful for tracking spending and potential fraud activity. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some users report occasional login issues, especially after updates. A few have mentioned delays with mobile check deposits and intermittent glitches affecting transaction visibility. The app is reliable for daily use, but the experience may vary depending on device and network conditions. In summary, the Hudson Valley CU mobile app may be worth using if you want secure, straightforward mobile banking with essential features like transfers, bill payments, and mobile deposits. However, if you expect advanced budgeting tools or highly customizable features, it might feel somewhat limited compared to larger banking apps. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.